Today, I'll be explaining an amazing tip on how to change the home screen of Kindle. So this is the new home screen in the latest Kindle versions. So how do you move it back to the previous way? So that is that we are going to show. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for exciting content like this. So now click on that three dots. Go to device options. Click on advanced options. Click on home and library. Click on off. And finally, you will get the home screen as old as ever. There are certain people who prefer this way. This is a useful tip for those kind of people. Thank you guys. That is all. So this is the new home screen right after changing it. Like, share and subscribe.